Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to embed link on Reddit post. It's really quick and simple and the process is really straightforward, so let's jump right in. First, open your Reddit app. Here, on the bottom menu at the very center, you will see the create button. Tap on that and then let's call it a sample post. And here, you can simply tap this link button, enter link, and here, paste your link, and the link will be embedded. And as you can see, the link is embedded perfectly without any problem. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.